I completed BSc Anesthesia Technology, which is 3-year course from School of Allied Health Science, Vinayaka Mission University, Salem. In this video, I would like to share a few of my college experiences. Vinayaka Mission Research Foundation, deemed to be university, is one of the best college in Salem. School of Allied Health Science, which is a group of paramedical courses. And there are varieties of courses such as cardiac technology, perfusion technology, anesthesia technology, renal dialysis, optometry, physician assistant, neuroscience, etc. Diploma, BSc and MSc courses are also available. And first of all, I would like to say, I am proud to be a part of this institution. And about my department, I told, I am anesthesia technology, which is 3-year course and 6-month internship also. We are practicing in operation theatre, we are assisting anesthetist and we are focusing in anesthesia side. And we got well training from VIMS Hospital and Tirupandavaram Medical College. And I would like to thank my faculties, my all faculties for their great support, and especially our Dean Dr. B. Sendil Kumar for his great support and effort, not also in academy but in all co-curricular activities. Highly qualified faculties and all facilities were available there. And about my department, our team were placed in highly reputed organization with highly secured salary. They are offering placement for the School of Allied Health Science students in highly reputed organization. And they are also participating in several programs and receiving prizes, awards also for their great effort and their excellence in the academy. And once again, I would like to say thank you for each and every of my faculties for their support in my success, and thank you for getting a chance for sharing my experience with you. Thank you, thanks a lot.
From BSc Anesthesia Technology 2016 to 2020, batch School of Allied Health Science, Vinayaka Mission Research Foundation, Salem. First of all, I like to share about my college life. I am very much privileged to here be as an alumni. It is a perfect joy and hardships. It is not only education, rather it's much more in development of our education and knowledge. Along with studies, we enjoy lots of things. All of us are participating in several national and international conferences, CMUs, workshops for the better development of our knowledge and education. Not only with academics, by his continuous encouragement, got several opportunities in participating national and international sports, culturals and other inter-college competitions. It won't be happened without our friendly faculties. All our faculties are kind-hearted and rectify our problems, personal and academic problem also. A person career is based on choosing a best program in best college. Now I became the master of my own schedule and how to manage the time effectively, and I got to decide how I want to live as a young adult. And this is my privilege to thank our lovable Dean and Director Dr. B. Sendil Kumar Sir, School of Allied Health Science, Vinayaka Mission Research Foundation for his excellent support throughout my college journey. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank our Dean, our teachers, faculty members and the students for giving this wonderful arrangement of this alumni meet. I'm so happy for this meet. This is the first meet for me. I am Vijayalakshmi. I completed my Bachelor of Science in Anesthesia Technology in the year of 2020. Now currently I am working as a lecturer in Srinivasan Institute of Medical Sciences. Back to my college days, there is a lot of unforgettable memories in my lifetime because when I first time entered our college, I was so very nervous because first time I am facing a new environment. So our teachers only encourages me, you can do it like that. FAHS provides me a lot of learning experiences apart from educations. Like it has improves my communication skills, my behavior by various programs, and it means like great learning experiences from our college. Thanks for that.